If your home feels cramped, cluttered, or hard to manage, these Amazon organizers are exactly what you need. We're covering smart products that help tiny homes and small apartments feel cleaner, bigger, and easier to live in. From drawers and closets to kitchens and laundry areas, every item is built to maximize limited space. Stay all the way through because some of the most useful upgrades are still coming up. Every link is waiting below in the description, so let's get started. Kicking things off with one of the fastest ways to upgrade messy storage, these drawer dividers turn cluttered drawers into clean, organized sections in minutes. They're perfect for socks, underwear, utensils, makeup, office tools, chargers, or random daily essentials. Adjustable sizing helps them fit different drawer widths, while quick setup means no complicated installation. Instead of wasting time searching, everything stays visible, separated, and easier to grab every morning, usually priced around $15 to $25. Sliding into another smart apartment essential, this clothes drying rack gives you a dedicated place to air dry laundry without using chairs, doors, or crowded furniture. It works great for delicate fabrics, workout wear, towels, or clothes you don't want shrinking in heat. Multiple bars create useful drying space, while the foldable frame stores away neatly when finished. Perfect for homes where every inch matters and clutter builds quickly, usually priced around $30 to $60. Keeping the pace strong, this shirt folding board helps create neat, uniform clothing stacks in seconds with almost no effort. It's ideal for t-shirts, polos, hoodies, kids' clothes, towels, and more during busy laundry days. Consistent folds help drawers hold more items neatly, while closets look cleaner and easier to manage. Durable plastic panels are lightweight, simple to use, and easy to store after finishing each load, usually priced around $10 to $20. Moving straight into the kitchen, these 10-pack refrigerator pantry organizer bins make crowded shelves feel cleaner, smarter, and easier to manage daily. Use them for snacks, drinks, produce, sauces, meal prep items, or kids' grab-and-go foods. Clear sides let you spot contents instantly, reducing wasted food hidden in the back. Stackable shapes help maximize vertical room inside fridges, cabinets, and pantries without adding extra clutter anywhere, usually priced around $25 to $40. Flowing right into a closet clutter fixer, this non-woven shoe rack shelf turns scattered footwear into neat vertical storage without taking much room. Multiple tiers hold sneakers, sandals, slippers, boots, or daily pairs while freeing valuable floor space. The lightweight frame is easy to assemble, move, and reposition whenever needed. Great for bedrooms, entryways, dorm rooms, or hallways where shoes pile up fast every week, usually priced around $20 to $35. Now stepping into one of the biggest space savers in this lineup, this 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer turns unused door space into powerful vertical storage. It's perfect for snacks, spices, canned goods, cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen extras that usually crowd shelves. Multiple tiers help separate items neatly while keeping everything visible and easy to reach fast. Great for apartments where cabinets are always limited and floor space matters daily, usually priced around $40 to $70. Rolling right into a bedroom upgrade, this dresser for bedroom with 8 drawers gives you serious storage without needing bulky furniture. Multiple drawers help organize clothes, accessories, blankets, baby items, or random household essentials in one compact footprint. The top surface also works for lamps, decor, mirrors, or everyday grab-and-go items. It's ideal for apartments needing extra storage while keeping rooms cleaner and more organized overall, usually priced around $80 to $150. Keeping the momentum high, these 5-pack stackable closet storage baskets help maximize shelves that normally waste vertical room. Use them for folded clothes, towels, handbags, toys, pantry goods, cleaning items, or seasonal accessories. Stackable design lets you build upward instead of spreading clutter sideways, which is perfect for smaller closets and cabinets. Open front access makes grabbing items easier without removing everything above or around them, usually priced around $30 to $50. Flowing into a small product with huge value, these 12 pieces rug tape strips help keep rugs flat, secure, and safer on hard floors. They reduce slipping, bunching, curled corners, and constant repositioning that makes rooms look messy. Great for entryways, kitchens, bedrooms, or apartments with kids and pets moving around daily. Easy peel and stick setup means no complicated tools, while cleaner floors instantly feel more polished, usually priced around $10 to $20. Moving smoothly into paperwork control, this Accordion file organizer is a smart way to store documents without messy stacks everywhere. It's perfect for bills, warranties, passports, receipts, school papers, tax files, manuals, or important records you need quickly. Expanding sections help categorize everything neatly while keeping papers protected and easier to access. Compact design fits desks, shelves, drawers, or cabinets without taking much room in smaller homes, usually priced around $15 to $30. Quick pause. If any of these organizers are already solving a problem in your head, you'll find every product link waiting below in the description. Charging into another high-value organizer, this coat rack wall mount turns empty wall space into practical daily storage. It's perfect for jackets, bags, hats, scarves, keys, towels, or pet leashes that usually end up scattered around chairs and tables. Wall-mounted design helps free floor space while keeping essentials easy to grab near doors or bedrooms. Strong hooks support regular use and create a cleaner entryway instantly. Great for smaller homes needing smarter storage fast. Usually priced around $15 to $30. Sliding into a clever closet maximizer, this expandable closet tension shelf rod adds an extra storage level where wasted vertical space normally sits. Use it inside wardrobes, cupboards, laundry areas, or kitchen cabinets for folded clothes, boxes, shoes, containers, or pantry goods. Adjustable width helps it fit different spaces without drilling or permanent setup. Strong metal construction supports everyday items while keeping shelves more organized and efficient. Perfect for renters and apartments alike, usually priced around $20 to $40. Moving right into the kitchen, this collapsible chopping board with colander combines multiple tools into one serious space saver. You can chop vegetables, rinse produce, drain pasta, wash fruit, and prep meals without pulling out separate bulky items. Foldable design stores flatter than traditional bowls and boards, making it ideal for tight drawers or cabinets. Multi-use products like this simplify cooking while reducing clutter around countertops fast. Usually priced around $20 to $35. Heading forward, this glass laundry detergent dispenser with holder upgrades messy laundry storage instantly. Instead of bulky plastic bottles, detergent stays in a cleaner glass container that pours more neatly and looks far better on shelves. The included holder keeps it stable while reducing drips and spills around machines. Great for creating a more organized laundry corner that feels intentional, premium, and easier to maintain daily. Usually priced around $25 to $40. Flowing into a kitchen favorite, this egg dispenser helps organize cartons while freeing shelf space inside crowded refrigerators. Eggs roll forward automatically as one is removed, making the next one easy to grab quickly. That means better visibility, easier counting, and less chance of forgotten cartons hiding in the back. Compact vertical design stores multiple eggs while taking less room than bulky packaging. Simple upgrades like this always feel satisfying daily, usually priced around $15 to $25. Stepping into another everyday upgrade, this coffee container keeps beans or grounds fresher while making counters look cleaner and more organized. Airtight sealing helps protect flavor and aroma from moisture and air exposure, while the dedicated container replaces messy bags or half-open packaging. It's great for coffee stations where clutter builds quickly from scoops, filters, and supplies. Stylish storage like this improves both function and appearance in smaller kitchens instantly, usually priced around $20 to $35. Moving right into a countertop space saver, this microwave oven rack adds extra storage above and around one of the bulkiest kitchen appliances. Use it for spices, bowls, plates, utensils, coffee supplies, or paper towels that normally crowd counters. Vertical shelving helps reclaim wasted airspace while keeping essentials within easy reach during cooking. Strong frame support makes it practical for daily use in compact kitchens and apartments, usually priced around $30 to $50. Keeping the momentum high, this mop and broom holder wall mount turns cleaning tools into neat wall storage instead of corner clutter. It securely holds mops, brooms, dusters, brushes, umbrellas, or garden tools while freeing floor space instantly. Gripping slots keep handles from sliding, and hooks add room for smaller accessories. Great for laundry rooms, kitchens, garages, or utility areas where cleaning gear usually piles up fast. Usually priced around $15 to $30. Flowing into a serious storage winner, this space-saving self-compression organizer helps bulky blankets, winter clothes, bedding, or extra linens take far less room. Built-in compression design reduces volume without needing a vacuum, making packing and storing much easier. It's perfect for under-bed areas, closets, shelves, or moving days when space matters most. Clear organization plus compact storage can completely transform crowded apartments fast, usually priced around $20 to $40. And finally, last but not least, this sturdy clear shoe storage organizer gives footwear a cleaner, premium-looking home while protecting pairs from dust and damage. Clear panels let you see sneakers, heels, sandals, or daily shoes instantly without opening random boxes. Stackable design helps build vertical storage that saves floor space in closets or bedrooms. Stronger structure keeps boxes stable and neat long-term, usually priced around $30 to $60. And that's the kind of smart organization that can make a small home feel twice as functional. Drop a comment and tell me which product you'd grab first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space-saving finds that actually improve daily life. Every product link is waiting below in the description. I'll see you in the next